Understanding. Miss one's station. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on a unique phrase in the English language. Miss one's station. This expression has a literal meaning and also a more figurative one, which can add depth to your understanding of English. We're going to explore both to help you grasp how to use this phrase effectively in conversation. The phrase, miss one's station, literally refers to the situation where someone fails to get off a train, bus, or any form of public transport at the stop where they intended to disembark. This can happen for various reasons, such as being asleep, distracted, or not realizing they've reached their destination. Example: imagine you're on a train home after a long day and accidentally fall asleep. You wake up to find out you've passed your stop. You've missed your station. Figuratively, to miss one's station means to miss an opportunity or fail to take advantage of a situation that could have been beneficial. It's about not acting when the moment is right and later realizing that the chance has passed. Example: if someone had the chance to invest in a successful startup early on but decided against it, only to see it become highly successful later, they might feel like they missed their station. Understanding how to use this phrase in both contexts can enrich your English communication. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Literal: I was so engrossed in my book that I missed my station and had to wait for a train back. Figurative: he realized too late that by not accepting the job offer, he had missed his station for a great career opportunity. Remember, miss one's station can be used both literally and figuratively to describe missing out, whether it's a physical location or a metaphorical opportunity. We hope this lesson helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't miss your station in learning English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.